packaging challenges solved by Edge Crush Tester. In today's competitive market, packaging plays a crucial role in protecting goods during transit, enhancing brand perception, and ensuring customer satisfaction. However, packaging challenges can arise, leading to damaged products, increased costs, and regulatory compliance issues. Some of the common packaging challenges include impact during transit. Boxes can endure various impacts during transportation, such as drops, vibrations, and collisions. These impacts can lead to dents, tears, or punctures in the packaging, compromising the integrity of the contents inside. Stacking and compression. Boxes are often stacked on top of each other during transit and storage, subjecting them to compression forces. If the boxes are not adequately designed to withstand these forces, they may collapse or deform, resulting in damage to the packaged items. Poor handling practices. Improper handling practices, such as careless stacking, rough handling, or incorrect lifting techniques, can cause damage to boxes. This damage may include crushed corners, torn edges, or even complete failure of the packaging. Inadequate cushioning and protection. Insufficient cushioning and protection inside the box can increase the risk of damage to the contents. Without proper cushioning or void-fill materials, items may shift during transit, leading to impact damage or breakage. These are some common packaging challenges that may occur during shipping and transportation of products. Presto introduces high-quality lab testing instrument known as Edge Crush Tester. This quality testing instrument measures the crush strength of cardboard boxes and packaging containers. The Presto Edge Crush Tester works by subjecting corrugated fiber board, a commonly used packaging material, to control pressure at its edges. This simulates real-world conditions, allowing manufacturers to assess the material's strength and durability. To perform the Edge Crush test, place the Edge Crush test fixture with the erected edge of the specimen facing the lower compression plate. After placing the specimen correctly, press reset and tear to set the value at the peak load indicator to 0. After setting the 0 on the load indicator, turn the rotary switch to the up direction. This will move the lower compression plate in an upward direction, exerting a compressive load on the specimen. Once the machine stops, the display showing the load will return to 0 and the deflection display will freeze. Press the memory switch on the load indicator to show the peak value. Maintaining consistent packaging quality is essential for brand reputation and customer satisfaction. The Presto Edge Crush Tester enables us to implement robust quality control measures, ensuring that every package meets our stringent standards. Whether you're a small business looking to enhance packaging performance or a large manufacturer striving for operational excellence, the Presto Edge Crush Tester is your ultimate solution for overcoming packaging challenges and achieving packaging success. Some common packaging challenges that an Edge Crush Tester can solve easily. Ensuring packaging strength. One of the primary challenges in packaging is ensuring that the damaged. The ECT helps in determining the strength of corrugated fiber board, which is commonly used in packaging, by measuring the amount of force it can withstand before collapsing at the edges. Optimizing packaging materials. Different packaging materials have varying levels of strength and durability. By using an ECT, manufacturers can compare the performance of different materials and select the most suitable ones for their specific packaging needs. This optimization can help in reducing costs while ensuring adequate protection for the packaged goods. Improving package design. Package design plays a crucial role in protecting the contents during transportation and storage. With the help of an ECT, packaging designers can evaluate the structural integrity of various design configurations and make necessary adjustments to enhance the overall strength and durability of the package. Complying with regulatory standards. Packaging regulations and standards vary depending on the industry and geographic region. An ECT can help manufacturers ensure compliance with relevant standards by providing accurate and reliable data on the strength and performance of their packaging materials and designs. Features of Presto Edge Crush Tester Digital. Technical specifications of Presto Edge Crush Tester Digital.